Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is me, Lord Ebo Reese Hards, and you're watching IZ Corp Exchange Television, and this is a market report from IZ Corp Exchange for the first quarter of 2018. You haven't been seeing much of us. Our office is being renovated from the fire of 2018. Yeah, our headquarters is burned down. So again, it's me, the Lord Reese Hards. We're trying to get back into the thick of things, or some people say the fray of what's been going on with IZ Corp Exchange. First thing I want to tell everyone, if I haven't told you, Happy New Year's, and for those who are still here with us, stay strong. So, if you're looking at the economy, the overall economy, the markets were looking pretty bright, but it's just I don't want to say recession. We don't give buy, hold, and sell recommendations, but we're still buying the market if you believe that or not. It fell. You know, the positive consecutive quarters has stopped. So now you're seeing volatility, and what we say with volatility is the uncertainty, which is another commentary that you'll be reading later on today. Uncertainty versus anticipation is what's causing volatility. So you'll see the report: anticipation plus uncertainty equals volatility, and that's pretty much what you're seeing. Food and energy are coming in, but the main focus is finance. Most of the money is being spent in finance. Almost 26% of the total, or almost 30% of the total portfolio. And we're looking at, actually, this is a three-prong, because this is three parts of the company, three of the top portfolios of the company, and you're pretty much looking at the comparing them to which one is the better one. So if you like, you have the retirement, which is pretty much it involves a lot of fixed income, but it's in the retirement section. And then you have the economy and market, which are mostly hedge funds and small businesses that invest long and short. And then you have domestic and international. To get involved with the fixed income of IZ Corp, of that part of the exchange, the companies that deal with that, you have to take a class with us, and you pay $500, which is non-refundable, and then it gives you an idea of what to do with your money when you come to these groups and these seminars and forums. And there's a lot of things involved with it. It's $500 to get the training certificate, and you test out and everything, so you know what we're doing with far as retirement. Anything else, you can just come and hang out. And again, the rates didn't change, but with that being said, the weighted index is going negative. It's starting to post negative returns, barely negative. So it's just streaking around there, and there's fear of this quote trade war that's going to be imminent. And then people talk about their FANG stocks, and it's just pretty much new language. We're expecting through our offices that the rates will raise at least 2 more times for next year, and then there's still a lot of stimulus and stuff to enter into the economy. So that's pretty much what you're looking at there. The economic growth of the company is stable. Actually, since March, it's been up, because another thing that was a plus for the exchange, our credit was expanded, so we were able to actually raise money through bigger financial institutions, which was kind of shocking to me, because when I sat down with them, I was thinking, pretty much I'm just going to be we're just going to be wasting each other's time. But they were really interested in what we were doing, and they liked the reports. And one thing I think was a good plus is we have a lot of research, and a new thing coming in is the inflation watch. So through housing and medicals and a lot of consumer discretionary stuff like that, through the inflation, they liked what Reese Hards, what I was saying, and we were able to get some money. Then we put that money to work. Actually, we put it to work right away. But with that being said, we don't have any interest. So I don't know how many companies can go out there and raise capital through financial institutions and don't have to pay back zero interest. So then you're looking at consumers and the housing markets. I'm very optimistic on housing. Okay, we're gonna speed it up. Well, I'm very optimistic on the housing. A lot of people are waiting for the median price. They think it's gonna go down. I don't think that's gonna happen. Consumer and healthcare is definitely on the rise. Personal income per capita is up, but not that much. So the inflation of your insurance products and stuff and your medicines will definitely be going up. That's what we see. Corporate profitability, it started up really strong, but then it's kind of flattening out now. That's what really keeps people don't know that corporate profits is really what makes the stock market go up. They're thinking as well, your stimulus, you're high on Sky Juice, and people are just pumping all kind of money into the market to make liquidity. Always remember, corporate profits lifts the market. When big corporate companies are making money, the stock markets are going up. People are buying their instruments and buying their products fast when they're profitable. So you always have to watch out for corporate profits. Everyone's favorite is the market volatility, which we know some people still measure the VIX. Some people trade it. I know one guy, he has a little small firm, and all he does is trade VIX, and I don't do that. We just study market volatility, and again, the equation right now in our economic circle is anticipation versus uncertainty will equal volatility every time. That's all it is. It's just the uncertain. People don't know, and people anticipating. And when those people get into the same mob and start buying and selling in the market, there is no steady mob. It's just everybody's just thinking different, and that's all it is. It's just people who are anticipating that the market's going to go down, and the uncertain people that think that that the bull run is going to continue. When they get in the same room, it's just like an earthquake and a lava and a tornado all mixed in one. Commodity markets are good. We like where oil is going. I think oil gets a little higher here. We're also watching the copper, and we're looking at palladium also. We're buying a lot of gold and a lot of palladium. Energy markets, we just mentioned, in commodities. So that just pretty much covers the beginning of the report, just kind of give you an idea. And you can find the report on our website, which is izcorpexchange.weebly.com. There should be a link on there by now that can give you the quarterly updates. And remember, if you want to get involved, join the program. Contact me. We do a lot of one-on-one. We have a lot of coaching, but this little thing is it's not a designation. It's just something that the exchange is offering. $500 gets you into the retirement with a little or nothing, and then you can start learning how to manage your own money, because it's gonna get more expensive and it's gonna be harder for you. You're watching IZ Corp Exchange Television. My name is Lord Reese Hards, and this is IZ Corp Exchange. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.